Hi, this is Smart Academy. We are giving physics concepts for all physics sentences. Today we are discussing about Coulomb's law. So already we discussed Coulomb's law. Now I want to solve one problem here. I have one problem here. See, a ball of charge 0.005 10 power minus 3 kg carries a charge 5 into 10 power minus 8 coulombs. The charge on a second big ball placed 10 power minus 1 meter apart above the first ball, which will keep the first ball in equilibrium. So this is the question. So the first ball mass equal to 0.05 into 10 power minus 3 kg. See, the gravitational acceleration is c. So the weight of the one mg acts downwards. So this is the first ball. The charge on the first ball 5 into 10 power minus 8 coulombs. So if we place second ball on the first ball above the first ball, the distance between these two balls 10 power minus 1 meter. So here, so we are moving for solution here. So first ball charge, that is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb. So second ball charge, we don't know. So the distance between these two balls, that is equal to 10 power minus 1 meter. So the weight of the first ball equal to 0.05 into 10 power minus 3 kg. So the weight of the first ball is balanced with the force between these two charges. So that means mg equal to the weight of the first ball is equal to force between these two charges. That is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 yd square, that is equal to mg. Here this is m. What is the mass of the, see the, so weight, so that is into g, that is equal to 0.05 into 10 power minus 3 weight of the ball, that is into g. Into g means, so take 10 meter per second square, so g equal to take 10 meter per second square. 9 into 10 power 9, q1 is already we have 5 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb, into q2 we have to find d equal to 10 power minus 1 whole square. So here from this one, the next step is, so 10 plus 1 minus 2, you will get minus 2 means 10 power 5 into 10 power minus 4, then 9 5 is 45 into 10 power plus 2 into q2. q2 equal to 5 into 10 power minus 4, 45 into 10 power plus 3. So 1 by 9 into 10 power minus 7 cool. So this value we are getting here. So actually not that much important about numericals. So what is the procedure here? What is the concept here? These two charges, in the first ball some charge is there, and the second ball also some charge is there. The force between these two charges is equal to the weight of the first ball, because the first ball is in equilibrium. If it is be in equilibrium, it has to support the weight is Suppose the weight is equal to the force between two charges, that is equal to mg equal to f. F is nothing but the force between these two charges, that is equal to weight of the first ball. Then only the first ball is in equilibrium. So this is the procedure. Okay, thank you.